Hey everyone, welcome. Thank you very much for joining me in this video. Now, it is December 30th. Tomorrow's the 31st. Obviously, New Year's after that. But maybe some of you won't be, it's going to be a busy day tomorrow, December 31st. Or maybe some of you won't be online and so on, understandably so. So I'll just wish right now for anyone who won't be online tomorrow, Happy New Year's Day. I hope that you have a great New Year. I hope that your entire 2023 will be better, more prosperous, but on top of all that, healthier than 2022. And on in general note, for the whole world to be at peace at least for 1 year, that would be great. So that's that. But that's for everyone who won't be online tomorrow. If you are going to be online tomorrow, you're checking out YouTube, I'll have a New Year's video tomorrow. Not about a stock, okay? Just to wish everybody a Happy New Year's Day. Now, this video that you are seeing right now is actually the last stock related video I will do for 2022. Yes, the last one. And so we'll end the year of 2022 with an IPO review of a stock that I believe will do very well on day one. So I believe that this IPO, when it goes public on day one, will pop and will do very well. Not for long term, but just for the first day. That, of course, is just my opinion. Doesn't mean it's true and that it's going to happen guaranteed. Let's get on with the video. Let me explain the reasons why. And at the end of the video, I'll also tell you who the underwriter is. And this is going public. There will be, I don't think there will be, if there is a delay, it won't have anything to do with the underwriter. All right. So, but I think this will not be delayed. So let's get started with the video. We're going to talk about MGO Global, and it seeks a $7.5 million initial public offering. A very tiny IPO, right? $7.5 million, that's it. So this company sells licensed celebrity brand products. It is based in Florida, Fort Lauderdale to be specific. It was created to acquire and operate a portfolio of lifestyle brands anchored by notable personalities. Management is headed by the founder and the CEO. The CEO is Maximiliano Ojeda, if I pronounce it right, who has been with the company since the beginning in 2017 and was previously an executive at various real estate development organizations. This company provides apparel, accessories, and home decor, and they have received so far $4.1 million from various private investors. Now, the total revenue for the company in 2020 is $694,000. In 2021, it jumped up 26% to $880,000. And for the first 6 months of this year, 2022, $336,000. Gross profit loss in 2020, $311,000. 2021, $487,000. First 6 months of 2022, $258,000. The gross margin went from 44% in 2020 to 55% in 2021 to 76.9% for the first 6 months of 2022. We can see here the operating profit loss went from $1.3 million in 2020 to $919,000 in 2021 to $196,000 for the first 6 months of 2022. Net income loss went from $1.4 million to $985,000 to $2 million in the first 6 months of 2022. Cash flow from operations, $401,000 in 2020, $769,000 2021, and $1.1 million for the first 6 months of 2022. So the company has cash, $20,586. That's it. That's the cash. Their total liabilities, $1.5 million. So big. I mean, that's a huge difference, right, from the cash. And yeah, so free cash flow is negative $1.8 million. Now they want to raise $7.5 million. Like I said, they're going to offer 1.5 million shares. That's it, 1.5 million shares for $5, and they're seeking a $7.5 million IPO. And let's go to, this is something interesting I'm going to get to in a little bit. The market cap is at $65.9 million. The enterprise value is at $59 million. Price to sales is 100. EV to revenue 90.20. Their EV to EBITDA is negative 81. The operating margin is negative 111%. Net margin is at negative 408%, as I see here. Float to outstanding shares ratio is 11.3%, which is super low. So 1.5 million shares, a flow to outstanding shares ratio is very low. $5, and there's one more surprise towards in the next slide I'm going to show you. Net free cash flow is negative 1.7 million. Free cash flow yield per share is negative 2.6%, and the revenue growth rate is negative 39.7%. Valuation score. Well, the Boston Securities is the lead underwriter, so that's what I wanted to get to. So we have Boston Securities, 1.5 million shares, $5, low flow to outstanding shares ratio. It has to do with celebrities. I think overall all of this will be enough for this to pop, in my opinion, just my opinion. So the valuation score is more based on day one pop, not for long term. As far as long term is concerned, if I was asked, would this be an immediate investment, let me invest in this for the long term? No at all. In no way, shape, or form is this right now a long-term investment, not even a midterm, nothing. Just for day one pop one, get out. That's just my opinion, of course. So overall, I would pre-order this, personally speaking, for me. Valuation score, don't ever use this as a trading tool. It's just for entertainment purposes. My opinions in this video are just my opinions, personally speaking, for me. I want to thank you very much for watching this video. Once again, Happy New Year's Day, everyone, and take care.